Hi, I'm Samhar Raya, CEO of the Diaspora Academy. If you're a diaspora leader passionate about making a difference, then I want to personally invite you to our transformative course, Diaspora Advocacy. This isn't just any workshop. It's a multi-session intensive experience designed for transformational impact and growth. You'll unlock your full potential as a powerful diaspora advocate. You'll delve deep into your unique diaspora experience and connect that to the foundational elements of effective advocacy here in the United States. Through this journey, you'll gain the skills, the confidence, and the community support you need to make real, lasting change. The course will empower you to see yourself as the change agent you were always meant to be, committed, capable, and ready to lead. You'll learn not just from me as an expert with 20 years in policy and advocacy, but from each other, building a network of like-minded leaders. You're all dedicated to making a positive impact in your communities and beyond. So, if you're ready to take your advocacy to the next level, then join us at the Diaspora Academy. Together, we can transform our collective power into action. Enroll today and experience a transformation yourself.